Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to add an image in a Reddit post. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to make sure that you've logged into your Reddit account using your provided username and password. I have already logged into my account, and you can see this is my timeline. So to add an image into a Reddit post, you'll first have to create a post. To create a post, I'll navigate at the top right location and select the create command. Once it launches, it gives me an interface for me to write my text using a text title and a body, and I can also write an image and a video as a post. I can also create a link and even a poll. Notice that I have the ability to post in different communities and even on my profile. So if I want to post on a specific community, I'll just scroll to navigate to that community and click on it. In this tutorial, I want to post on my profile. So I'll click on the drop down and community and select my profile. So the next thing I will do is to write my post title here, and then in the body area, I will write the content. The other thing I'll want to do once I have written my content in here is to add an image into this particular post. To make that possible, I'll navigate into the format tools that are provided at the top here, and one that is the second last has an image command. If I hover, you'll see a tooltip written image. I'll click on that so that it can launch on my computer an Explorer window where I can search for an image. In this case, just bring my Explorer window there so you see me selecting. In this case, I'll select this photo and I'll select open. Now you notice that my image is being imported in my post. Once it's done, I may decide to write a caption down here, and once done, I can save as draft or post. For this tutorial, I'll want to post. I'll click on post and my post now becomes active on my timeline. If I navigate into my profile, you can tell of the different items that I have posted. My content monkey is here. You can now allow your friends to upvote, to comment, to share with their friends, to make it go viral. And there you have it. That is how you add an image in a Reddit post. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.